All right, Esther, I'm going to try to record a video for you about how to do a 90-degree park. Okay, you see I'm coming up on a pickup here. And hopefully, now we're going to come up beside him and then watch the mirror and see when we can see the pickup in the mirror. Okay, now we can see the pickup. See, there's a gap between me, the back of my car, and the pickup. So watch that gap. If that disappears, that means that you've hit the pickup. As long as there's a space in between you and the pickup, you're okay. You want to start cutting back. Keep watching the gap, because, oops, let me try this again. Sorry, my hand got in the way. Alzheimer's moment. All right. Okay. We'll back up, start the turn, and as long as there's a little bit of a gap there, you're not going to hit them, and that's what you're looking for. Let's lower the mirror just a touch. Okay, see there's still a little bit of a gap. Now you see that we're starting to lose the pickup. It's disappearing. So we don't want that. We want to try to keep that gap about the same. So I'm going to pull forward, turn the wheel hard to the left, pull forward, get the gap back, put it back into a reverse, back in. And now I can see my line, so I don't need to look at the pickup anymore. So I'll just pull the lines, and you see there's still a gap there for us with the pickup. Okay. Makes sense? Any questions? Let me know.